even dairy into a certain degree. When you consume these foods, especially in excess, when you eat a lot of them, and most of us are consuming an animal-based product every meal, sometimes every, multiple servings within a meal every day. When you do that, when you eat animal proteins that way, it triggers we call them nutrient sensing pathways. Renee mentioned it earlier, these radars that our cells can use to detect how much food is present. There's a nutrient sensing pathway called mTOR that is triggered when we eat excessive amounts of animal proteins, especially. And the downstream effect of mTOR being activated is it actually activates IGF-1. IGF-1 is another nutrient sensing pathway that often is triggered when you eat carbohydrate foods. It's also happens to be um, a nutrient sensing pathway we track quite closely with things like diabetes and heart disease. Those two nutrient sensing pathways specifically are they just when they're turned on, cellular aging accelerates.
Hmm.
And it's not about, yes, we are living longer and longer lives, but we're, this concept of health span versus lifespan
Exactly.